What's up? My name is Chris, and this is my bike check. I got the 2010 Sputnic Tony Nair frame. I got the We the People Supreme 25 tooth and tangerine. I got the Shadow Conspiracy interlock chain. I got McNeil conjoined cranks. I got the Premium Slim pedals. Shadow Conspiracy pivotal. I got the Fit Shit forks. I got a FSA Impact headset and a Tangerine Fly Mosca stem. I got Odyssey and Ross space bars and ODIO grips. I got the Ghetto Money Fresh Fly rim and coffee laced to a profile mini in tangerine. And in the back, I got a Fly coffee rim laced to a profile mini cassette in tangerine. And then I got a profile hub guard on this side and a G Sport hub guard in that side. And that's my bike check.
Outside, it's like show.